This is consonant blend, NT, and N says N, and T says T, right? T. Let's try it with some other sounds. Ready? Let's tap and stretch. And tap and stretch. And say it fast. Ant. Say it fast. Ant. Good. Yeah, that's the word ant. Like there is a little black ant crawling up my chair. Okay, are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Pant. Tap and stretch again. Pant. Say it fast. Pant. Say it fast. Pant. Yeah, a dog has to pant when he's hot, right? All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Rant. Tap and stretch. Rant. Say it fast. Rant. Say it fast. Rant. Yeah, to rant about something, to be mad and to just let it all out, right? Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Bent. Tap and stretch again. Bent. Say it fast. Bent. Say it fast. Bent. Yeah, bent. She bent the spoon with her mind. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Dent. Tap and stretch. Dent. Say it fast. Dent. Say it fast. Dent. Did you get a dent in the car? Not me. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Rent. Tap and stretch. Rent. Say it fast. Rent. Say it fast. Rent. Yeah, we had to rent bicycles at the park. Okay, tap and stretch the new word. Scent. Tap and stretch. Scent. Say it fast. Scent. Say it fast. Scent. Yeah, she sent flowers to her mother for Mother's Day. Okay, let's tap and stretch the new word. You ready? Tent. Tap and stretch. Tent. Say it fast. Tent. Say it fast. Tent. Yeah, we set up a tent in the backyard. We had a lot of fun. Okay, ready? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Vent. Tap and stretch. Vent. Say it fast. Vent. Say it fast. Vent. Yes, that word is vent. Like the air conditioning vent is where the air blows out. Okay, tap and stretch. Went. Tap and stretch. Went. Say it fast. Went. Say it fast. Went. We went to the store. Okay. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Hint. Tap and stretch. Hint. Say it fast. Hint. Say it fast. Hint. Yeah, can you give me a hint? Is the dessert ice cream? Okay, ready? Tap and stretch. Tint. Tap and stretch. Tint. Say it fast. Tint. Say it fast. Tint. Yeah, we had them tint the windows on the car so that it wouldn't be so hot. Good. And one more word. You ready? Tap and stretch. Hunt. Tap and stretch. Hunt. Say it fast. Hunt. Say it fast. Hunt. Yeah, hunt. Like I like to go hunt for good sales at the thrift stores, or my dad will go and hunt for an animal like a bear or a rabbit. Good job with consonant blend NT.